Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to remove a payment method from your iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's get right to it. First, you need to open the App Store on your iPhone. Once you've done that, look in the top right-hand corner. You'll see your Apple account icon there. Go ahead and click on it. Alright, now you should see your name at the very top of the screen.
Tap on your name.
Give it a few seconds, and it will bring up your account settings. Now look for and click on Manage Payment Methods. After another brief pause, you should see a list of all your current payment methods. Simply select the payment method you want to remove by tapping on it. Once it loads, scroll down to the very bottom, and you'll see Remove Payment Method. Select that. It will then prompt you to confirm that you want to remove the payment method. Tap Remove again. And that's it. The payment method will now be successfully removed, and you can continue using your iPhone as normal. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Roam Tech for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.